jacket. Damn. My wife's gonna kill me. Oh, speak of the devil. Hey, honey.
Hey, love. How's your day going?
Oh, pretty good. You know, just eating donuts and riding parking tickets. How about you?
The usual. Mowing the lawn, making a roast, sleeping with a neighbor.
Oh, that sounds like a relaxing day. Hey, baby, can I call you back later?
Sure, but I may not be available. I have to swing by the hospital and have this baby.
Wait, what?
Our boy's coming out. You're gonna be a daddy.
Yeah! Well, what do you want me to do?
Breathe, baby. I'll meet you at the hospital. I love you.
Oh, baby, I love you too.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna be a daddy. I can't go get myself killed.
You can't just let him get away.
You say anything about letting them get away? Hit the gate.
Damn it, Riggs. Come on. They gotta be 800 yards out. Riggs, there ain't but 3 shooters in the whole damn world can make that shot, and you ain't one of them.
Hey, Jenkins.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Whoa!
Got this?
Go! Yeah!
You're gonna be a Bronco, just like your daddy.